Hello guys, welcome to Smart Tutorial. Now I am going to explain you some SQL query. So what is SQL? SQL is structured query language, and SQL is mainly used for communicating with database. So we are using some statements of SQL for updating the records, for deleting the records, and for inserting the record. So I am going to explain you insert into statement. So this is insert into statement is used to insert new record in the database. I am creating the employee table. Here the employee IDs are 1, 2, 3, first names are, last names are, age and country. Okay, so when I use this SQL query like insert into employee underscore ID, first underscore name, last underscore name, age, country, and the value are is 4 Rani Pandey 25 UK. Okay, so that table will create, and the fourth row will insert Rani Pandey 25 UK. The employee IDs are there, first name, last name, age and country. So after executing this insert into statement of SQL, we will insert the new row into the table. Okay, and the values are Rani Pandey 25 and UK. Now I am going to explain you what is delete statement, what is truncate table, which is used in SQL. So delete statement is used to delete rows from the database table, and truncate table is used to delete all rows from a table at once. So if you want to delete any particular row from the database, so you should use the delete statement, and if you want to delete the entire rows, so you should use the truncate table. So here I mentioned the delete statement, delete from employee, where employee ID is 4. So when we execute this code, the output is this like this. The table will create. Okay, the fourth row will be delete. Okay, the employee table, the fourth row, which value is Rani Pandey 25 UK, is deleted from this from there. Okay, now I am giving you the example of update statement. So update statement is basically used to edit existing row in the database table. For example, the SQL queries for update statement is update employee, set first name Kiran, where employee ID equals to 1. So when we execute this query, the output of this statement is like this. The first name is Kiran. Okay, so employee 1 ID will be updated. Okay, so the table will be like that. Then I am going to explain you what is create table. So create table statement is used to create table in the database. I am giving the SQL create statement query. So the create table employee means employee table. So employee underscore ID comma means integer. Here I mentioned the integer because the employee ID will be in integer data type, and the first name is first underscore name, and the data type is worker. So and the last name last underscore name, and the data type is worker, and their limit is 15 and 50. So like this type the table will create. Okay, and the last one I am explaining select statement. So the select statement in SQL query is used for retrieve data from the database. So the query is select as check from employee. I am creating the employee table. So if I want to retrieve every data from the employee table, so I will use this query select as check from employee. So thank you guys. If you want, please like and share my channel, and please subscribe my channel. And if you have any query, please comment me. Thank you.